My name is Keith Wallace, and I'm a candidate for Vandenberg Superior Court Judge. And I am running because I think we need to change some aspects of our court system. Specifically, in Division 4, which is also known as Family Court, I want to change it so that we have one, if not two, dedicated judges sit full-time in those courts instead of rotate through. I have explained before some of the problems I think caused by the rotation of judges. Today, instead of speaking more, I'd rather you hear from a family who's been involved in this court for more than 3 years with no end in sight.
Primarily and initially, we've lost a lot of time with Sophie because it took initially 8 months, a little over 8 months, to get in just to explain that I want to see my daughter. We want to see Sophie. And that was an emergency petition. So I'd hate to see what it was like if it wasn't an emergency petition. As far as going to court and actually physically walking in the courtroom, we have gone in, I'd say, approximately 5 times. And of those 5 times, we've had 5 different judges presiding over the case. The fact that we have to see a different judge every time we go to court is ridiculous because we're basically starting at square one every single time we show up. And that's more defeating than almost anything, knowing that when we go in, the judge isn't going to see that, oh, she was almost in contempt of court last time because she was shouting out in court and was completely unruly and wouldn't even let her lawyer get a word in edgewise, and doesn't have any history on the case, and is basically costing us several $100s an hour because our lawyer has to basically fill him in on this. And that's money that we're spending just to see our child, but it's not necessarily money that we have to spend. I think the biggest change I would like to see is having at least 1, maybe 2 of the same judges sit in family court to hear these cases all the time. And for a judge to actually physically be there every day of the week so that they can get some of this backlog taken care of, and so that our court dates every time we get a new one issued isn't 6, 8, 10 months, even a year out. That we anticipate for 4 to 6 months and then it gets pushed back another year. And I think that too much time lapses in between these to make it an efficient and worthwhile system.